All right, everybody, here from Dave's Garage, doing a very quick review of this little guy right here. I think I paid 25 bucks for this wireless anti-theft alarm. It's just a vibration sensor alarm that's pretty loud, comes with remote control. You can set the sensitivity and the volume and what kind of chirp you want and stuff like that. There's the model number. The brand name is Pado Now. I realize that is a name that instills confidence. But anyway, it's 25 bucks, right? What I like about this one, easy to mount. I just put a Velcro strip there and put it right there under that side panel. And what that allows me to do is to pop it out to recharge it. So the one that I have on the Kawasaki is a little bit cheaper. It's not quite as loud, but also it has some kind of a weird, very non-standard, hard to find battery. This one has a USB-C port, and you just charge it like you charge your phone. So every couple months, the battery goes dead, just take it out, plug it in for an hour, and top it off, and you're good to go. This one just uses, I think, like watch batteries or something like that. So this one's easy to get the batteries for. That one you just charge. It's got USB-C, should be a lesson to Apple. Took the European Union legal action to force you to adopt USB-C. Meanwhile, a $24.95 Chinese alarm has it, like the rest of the world. So anyway, all you got to do is just, when you get it out of the box, charge it up, throw it in, and then you've got your, the hell's that, bathtub? Yeah. So anyway, all you got to do is set it up. You can turn it on, turn it off. It's actually pretty damn loud. We'll put the seat back on. Let's see how loud it is with the seat. Let's see, is that in there? This is the comfort seat, which we had to, all right, well, we'll just let it sit there. I need the other hand, so we'll dick around with that later. But anyway, we'll arm it. It sets itself. All right. I have the sensitivity turned down low, so if the wind's blowing or something, it doesn't go off prematurely. However, if you hit the tail, which is the seat, so anytime you go to sit on it, hit it back here, it's less sensitive here. Obviously, you don't have to tap it very hard here. So let's see. Let's go up to the handlebar. It gives a warning. So if you try to move it, any kind of tap back here, it's going to set it off. It's pretty damn loud. It works pretty well. It's not an immobilizer or anything like that. I mean, if you don't have the key in it, the keys, I think, are RFID anyway or something like that. Most keys are these days. But there you go. That's the quick alarm review.